Okay, welcome back. Today we're gonna go scoot around and go to a different bay. We heard there's a beautiful beach farther on the west side of the island, but of course we saw a sign for another waterfall, so we are gonna go stop and check it out because it seemed really quiet and nice in this area. Lad. What did we call it? Hadlin.
Hadlin.
Did I tell you guys? And sometimes put my words and numbers backwards. Fine. Cool. What are you?
A goose?
No, it's pretty. Oh, there's just dogs everywhere. Swimming. Well, I guess we go. Okay, so this is not the way to the waterfall, where you can go hiking, but there is another waterfall here. But since it's a dry season, it's not much of a waterfall, but I bet you during the monsoon time, it will be flowing. So we just came and checked this out. It's covered. Listen to those bugs. They're like these little, well, not little, beetles. When we were in Bali, they used to fly at our windows at the house we're renting, and we knock on the window. They're massive. Again, we never planned on coming to a waterfall. We were going to check out a new beach. And here we are again. No shoes, sandals. But this one's okay for sandals. That sound. And we know how big those bugs are. That's the thing. One of those bugs that you hear that sound like a car alarm. They're like really big beetles. One time it got stuck into Darren's shoe and we brought it to another hotel room and I was making this sound and we're like, what is going on? And here he was in Darren's shoes. They're so big. Okay, oh my goodness, we finally made it to the waterfall. How beautiful is this? It was definitely worth the hike. There were some areas where we weren't sure if we should continue because it looked like it was a dead end, but you just continue following this little path and it brings you here.
I bet you that feels good. I gotta do that too. Our little spot we're sitting at for a moment. Cooling off. And that's the way we came in.
I don't know why, I just realized on this trip that's my signature move in a lot of my photos. And now it's time to go hit the beach since it is so hot and we're so sweaty, and the new beach we are trying to find is called Lipa Bay. This tree. Like, that is a cool tree. So we finished the hike and the waterfall, and this is how we cool off. This is a pretty beautiful beach. It's probably, like, I think one of our favorites on there. We just discovered it today. I'm going to take some more videos for you. It's a beautiful color. Local dog fetching his ball, and the beach goes all the way down there. I don't know if you can see because we're sitting in the water.
Rocks.
There's no rocks. It's white sand. It's like very good. Yeah. So that was our day. We worked in the morning, got up, scooted around, surprisingly found the waterfall, went for that big hike. It was about 4 kilometers to, it was like 1.8 on the way there, 1.8 on the way back, and now we get to sit in this beautiful water cooler, and we stop and grab a beer because that's what we do. I just love how majority of the bays that we go to and find in Thailand are calm like this, and clear, beautiful, soft sand. It is so beautiful. Those hoverboards are like quite a few places to rent, but those Sea-Doos and these hoverboards you can rent here at Lipa Bay. And we had good intentions on trying to do the board, but we kept putting it off and say, well, we'll do it the next day. And then of course, we never got around to doing it. All those chilies. So many chilies. We have literally, we just found out we've biked the entire island already. We made it to the roundabout. There's only one roundabout on the island, and we did it. Now we're gonna get some fruit. Smoothie bowls. Oh my goodness, yummy, yummy. We got a knife. Oh my goodness, son, what do you want to get? Okay, that's it?
Ask her what these are.
These are, I don't know what those are. Oh, she's packing up our fruit for us. So we got pineapple, we got dragon, we got mangoes. Did you want to ask her?
Like they look good, but what are they?
These are those white things, remember, inside? They're really good, those two.
Those are leeches.
Okay. This is so nice. The land of smiles. Oh, tamarind. Good choice, good choice. 100 baht for cashews. That's actually cheap.
แล้วก็นี่มีแบบเป็น
266
Oh. Cashews.
366
366.
Ê, bánh chim thịt mua lên cái cô mấy ba ơi.
So we decided to get some fruit, cashews, granola bars, and yogurt so we can make some fruit bowls in the morning because we don't have a lot of breakfast options where we are, and it's just nice to stay in your room. And we got some biodegradable bowls as well. Okay, just finished having another massage. This is the best part about Thailand. My massage was like always between $16 and $20, and it's so good. You can spend a whole day at this, like a spa massage place, but a whole body scrub, a whole entire massage, anywhere between $16 and $50 Canadian. It depends on what you get. Like my massage just right now was $16, and I gave her a tip, so it's $20. Like, it's so good. That's the one thing I love about Thailand. I love food, scootering, and massages and beaches, and that's why I love the island, living here so much. Like, it's just, I don't know, it's the best place ever. And you can get a normal massage, you can get Thai massage, which really opens you up, or you can just get a foot massage, shoulder massage, face massage, get that collagen and blood flowing going. It's amazing. So now I got a 2-kilometer walk. I'm just gonna walk home. Darren dropped me off, and now I'm walking home to get my steps in. I'm gonna go eat on the beach, and then go for a walk on the beach. What did you find? Where's the big dog? What did you find? What did you find? What did you find? Oh my goodness, Holly. What did you find? Oh, hi. It's okay. Hi, everybody. Hi. Where are you going?
like a young copper.
Oh my goodness, are you like Copper?
You're like a fox.
Hi. What are you puppies doing? Oh, hello. Hi, sweetie. Hi.
You don't bark at me, eh?
No. Where are you going? Hi. Hi. Oh, it's like Charlie.
The Ridgeback.
It's like Charlie's.
Look at those.
That's how Charlie's is.
Is it?
What do you find? Are you digging? Good morning. We got some visitors this morning from our other dogs that we made connections with. And yes, we moved locations and we got the room that has the walkout pool. So it's pretty awesome here. And then we made our morning breakfast. It was so fresh and good before we take off on the next adventure. We decided to, after I finished working, we decided to scoot back to Mayhem Beach because it's beautiful, it's quiet, there's a little bar here that plays music, and it's awesome. This is our second time coming here. I'm gonna flip it around. So this is Mainam Beach. It's really quiet. The sand is soft flowered. The bottom is not rocky. It's really beautiful. So definitely recommend this beach over Lamai, Chawang. It's really nice. So if you can scoot down here or you can stay in here. It's like a mini version of the Fisherman Village-ish. Like it's hotels and there's some restaurants and accessible things that you need. So definitely try this spot out. It's really nice. Sorry about the audio at the beach, but I highly do recommend that beach. It has a nice, fun, cool vibe. Darren and I decided to leave before rush hour because we didn't want to deal with it and because we can't sit at and laze around on beaches for too long. So we're heading back to our area. I just kind of wanted to show you what Mainam area looks like. It's a little busier than where we are. So right now we're going back north, back to Bang Po area where we're staying. And so, but when we leave Bang Po area and go south, we, it's pretty dead. And then it gets to Mainam area and it gets busy. And then right after Mainam area goes into Fisherman Village, which is another busy area for traffic and driving. And then after Fisherman Village, it's a little bit quieter and then goes into Chawang, which gets busy again. And then quiet again and busy. So that's kind of like the whole island, except for when you go north and west of the island, it's a little bit more quiet. And that's kind of what we like. But we wanted to go check it out. And now we're just going to head back home and regroup and figure out what we are going to do. Okay, so we didn't last long in the hotel room. We decided to go again, like the northwest area. We really liked Lipa Bay. So we thought we'd go check it out more because we're not in our hotel room much longer. So we might actually move an adventure down that area. So we're just going to drive around, check things out. And right now, this is the road right before Nathon area. So that's what we're going to do. Surprise, surprise, we turned down another road that said Waterfall. Are you guys surprised yet? It seems to be the theme on Koh Samui Island. We just scoot around, check out a beach, then go check out a waterfall. It could be like called the Island of Waterfalls. There's so many to check out. It's really quiet here. It's kind of eerie, but and actually look at us. We got runners on this time. We came prepared, but it's very quiet here and weird. But I guess we'll check it out. This is which one?
Zip lining at one time.
That's too bad, hey?
Yeah.
There's a little.
'Cause nobody's been down here. You smell it, Darren? Oh. Gotta brush shoes this time. Okay, so
Here's
Go
the
check-
first part, and then it goes.
should we go
up.
check the first part or not really?
What did you say?
I don't know.
There's another one that we said.
You keep going this way or we go up this way though?
I would say we take that trail because
No, we're gonna follow the line. Come through all that.
Okay, so I actually recommend this waterfall. It's beautiful. You can get some epic photos up by the waterfall, and there's barely anyone here. Like, there's no one here but us, but in all the reviews that we looked at after we found out where we are, it says the same thing. There's barely anyone here. So it's pretty cool to go check it out. We felt like it was been abandoned, or there used to be a zip line company tour guide thing here, but it no longer exists. So definitely come and check this little spot out. You can take so many good photos and just chill and relax for a bit.
Who would have thought hiking in shoes was easier?
Now we're gonna drive back to Lipa Bay area and kind of go check it out. Like I said, to see if we want to like move to that location, stay there for a few days. So this is like the very end of Lipa Bay. There's actually like a Navy base here. So that's what all of this is here, and then the Long Bridge. But then to the right of this bridge is Lipa Bay. So we thought we'd go check this little spot out, and I started practicing some scooter skills because it's been a long time. The last time I drove a scooter in Thailand was when we were in Koh Lanta, which was like 2019. So definitely time to practice. And yeah, if you can see there's Lipa Bay, and it goes all the way down, and we were at the very end of that's where I took the video that you guys seen us floating in the water after our major hike at Hidlan Waterfall. We ended up coming down this dirt road. We're leaving the beach now because I didn't get footage of us going to it. And so this is what it's like. There was quite a few other people down at this beach. There was also another little like harbor there. But it was a beautiful beach, even though regardless there was like a little like pier harbor kind of spot there as well. And sometimes you just find random spots like this, like if it's okay to go down the road, you do pass somebody's like yard and stuff, but they were okay with it as of when we were there. So you never know, sometimes things will change. And this was the beach where that road led us to. So again, pretty nice, quiet, calm, beautiful sand, and you can walk down there and you can go around and there's another nice area to sit. Basically, that's why I love Thailand. You just go and end up in random spots and you find a nice place to hang out for a bit and take a swim.
Is that Donsa?
Well, that was the end of that day. Just gonna chill here at the hotel room. The birds are really noisy and chirping right now, so I'm just gonna enjoy that and kind of figure out what we are going to do for the next couple of days.
So for the next 2 days, it's going to be off and on rain, so we're not going to scooter anywhere because it's just too slippery. And you get things in your, you can't see, visibility is not good, and so we're walking around trying to get something to eat. I love the smell of it here in the rain. You can smell the spice, and when the frangipanis get wet, it just smells so beautiful. So we found this one restaurant called Som restaurant. Is so good. We keep coming back here. We've been here about 10 times. It is so good. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you. It's like right off this main drag, and it's like kitty corner kind of to a 7-Eleven, and it's by the Bulldog. And it's just a little cute family owned restaurant. We get our laundry down here. Just on the beach, and it's really good food. And it's really like 20 prices. Yeah. It's raining so much you can't even see Koh Samui. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's so good. Got egg omelet, Thai omelets. These are. They're really good. They're really, really good. We both got. Darren got a coconut shake, so his like it's thick and creamy, but it's with milk. And I just got like the coconut, and I'm eating it and drinking it. This is our breakfast. I forgot. I got morning glory. They're just like beans, sauteed in oyster sauce, and Darren also got fried rice. This is like, how much do you think this breakfast is, Darren? All of this? $8. $8. We got way too much food. Okay, so now we're gonna go back and hang out at the hotel room, and then I'm basically walking to the store to get some supplies. And I love that you can just go like this. It doesn't matter what you wear or what you look like, or nothing like that matters at all in Thailand. It matters on who you are as a person. Oh, I can't zoom in. He really wants my white shirt.
See what the white flower.
There we go. Oh, yes. Yes. Hi, buddy. You like the white, eh? How come? Where are you gonna put him now?
We'll go put him over here.
There we go. Oh, good.
Okay, so we basically chilled at our room for a couple days while it was like raining off and on for those days and did some work. And now it stopped raining. It smells so fresh and beautiful and calm, perfect for the sunset. So we're basically gonna chill on the beach tonight and just relax. It's very quiet on this side, this area of the island. So if you're like wanting nightlife craziness, this is definitely not the area for you. It's more peaceful, relaxing, chill, you know, meet a couple of, like a small group of people and maybe make some connections that way, but that is about it. So like, see, look how calm and quiet it is. So basically, please stay tuned next week. We're going to take you down to Fisherman Village. And then basically Darren and I are moving locations. No more Panali Hotel Resort for us. So we just want to say thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in the next video. And thank you for watching Darren and Randy Thai on.